Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to play GTA Vice City in your Android phone. Rather than playing in PC, you can play this game in Android phone which have 1 GB RAM also. Don't worry for that. I will be showing you to how to download the mod app also for GTA Vice City in which you can get unlimited coins, unlimited money and unlimited unlock features in this GTA Vice City. And guys, I will show you demo at first, and then then only I will show you how to install this game and download this game in free version. You can see this game guys. I am just sharing my screen to the PC. Okay, I am first sharing my screen to the PC that you can see that I can show you over here how this game is going to run in your mobile. Guys, in by sharing this mobile screen to PC, it is lagging little bit, but if you play in your Android phone, it will not lag anymore because the graphics quality and other quality are all balanced in this app. Don't worry for that, it will not lag anymore, and you can use any functions in this as you play in PC version. You can get out, get in, or do anything in this as you were playing in PC version. And guys, I will show you. You can see here the map also. Okay, I will go to home. Now guys, I can show you here how to download this game. Okay, I am going to show you the process to download the game and installing also. Please look the steps carefully, otherwise you are not going to get any progress while downloading this game. Okay guys, now I'm going to start how we have to download this. Okay, at first you have to go to Google Chrome. Okay, Google Chrome, I will be giving a link to you. You just follow that and then you will be able to download this. Guys, you can see over here is Grand Theft Auto Vice City game. This is suitable for low MB, low GB mobile also. So I am showing you this game. Otherwise, I can show you the GTA San Andreas also. In next video, I will be putting that video also for San Andreas. You can see here is, you just scroll down. I will be giving link to you. Just click on go to download page. Okay. After clicking in go to download page, you can see here guys, it has shown download APK file. Okay, you can see here download APK file. This at first you have to download the app file and then download this data file. Okay, download data file. These two files you have to download to play this game. If you want the mod version or the hacked version, you can see here download APK file mod version 1.09. At place of downloading this app file, you just download this if you want for mod version. Okay, if you want the normal game, just download this file and then again download this file, data file and this file. Okay, and after clicking on download, you can see here is download option. After downloading, you will get this type of interface. You can see here GTA 5 Auto 1.53 GB. It is of OBB file. Don't worry for that, it will not lag in your phone. It is just background process. Okay, it is for backend. And just front end, you can see here is the app size is just 7 MB guys. Don't worry for that, it will work better in your phone. And you can see here GTA Auto Vice City. Yeah, I will just install first. Okay, this I will install here. You can see here the installation has been done. I am showing you the live process so you will not do any fault or error while doing this. Just click on done. Don't open the game. Okay, after downloading, don't open the game. Just you can see here Z archiver. You have to download this file because you can't copy and paste in OBB folder. I will show you which folder you can't copy paste normally. So you have to download this file to see all the files. Okay, now I will go inside my memory. Okay, then I will go to download where I have downloaded this. You can see here is the app file, here is the OBB file. Okay guys, you can just install from here also. I will just show you here also. From this way also you can install this game, and after that you can see here don't open the game, just done. Okay, then after that just long press to this and click on view. Inside this you can again long press to this folder. Okay, and just copy and go back, go in Android. Okay, after going inside Android, you can see here this is the Android. Okay, go inside the Android and go inside the OBB file. You can see here guys, I have already put it this, I have pasted this file com.rockstargames.gta vice city. Okay, you can just add here. Oh wait, sorry, I will show you again where was that. Go to download and go to your file, long press view, after being long press copy, after copying go back and go inside the Android and go to OBB file and just paste. You can see here I have already pasted, so I will replace. Guys, I have replaced my data file that is known as OBB file. You can see here this is the file, OBB file. I have pasted over here, and now I will going to play the game. Guys, you can see here after installation, just click on your game. You can see here the game is running very perfectly. It is not showing any error. The game is working so good, and you can see here this type of interface you can get. If you get any buttons over here, okay guys, just click on it, just do next, click on it and just tap to continue. After clicking tap to continue, you will go to next page. Okay, wait, yeah, it's loading little bit, we have to wait for that. And then guys, it will not take that much time because I'm just sharing my screen, so it is showing like that. Yes, you can just resume game at your time. You will get the new game. Okay, you have to click on new game or play the game. Okay, after going inside, you can see here same graphics, same picture quality you will get better in your Android phone also, and you can enjoy this small game in your phone. You can see here guys how good quality is here, how the game is looking over here in phone. Every function it has given here you can use, or anything you want much more instruction, then you can look other videos how to play this GTA 5 in mobile phone if you get any something difficulties. Okay, and guys, thank you for watching my video guys, and please like this video or just subscribe on my channel for much more updates. I will be updating the San Andreas game in next video, don't worry for that. If you just request me any games in your mobile phone or any hacked phone or cracked phone in your mobile phone, then I will be sharing to you guys how to install that in free. Any paid apps, I will be showing you how to install that app in free version. And just I'll just I'll just remove this. Guys, you can see I'm just showing you how to go inside the car. Okay, you can see here how it is working over here. My screen is little bit laggy due to screen mirroring, otherwise it works very perfect. You can see here the same real game only you can use in this. Thank you so much guys.